CubeDrive offers a drag-and-drop solution for customers to develop a healthcare case management system. Customers can log into the system and click Create Form to begin building their case management system. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows users to create the forms as their specific business needs, add data filter, create page layout, and data records. System is generated dynamically. Once the form is created, client cases can be imported from the Excel file or through API remote call, and case data can be displayed in grid, calendar, or kanban format. Businesses have the flexibility to filter data as required. To build the application, users click Design Application and use drag and drop to add dynamic tabs, which can include forms, charts, top lists, and summary views. This feature enables businesses to create a dynamic desktop view for analyzing data and presenting various results. Healthcare organizations can quickly analyze their business activities, significantly enhancing care delivery efficiency. For more information, please visit CubeDrive.com.